Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now you need to select Display and Gestures over here, tap on Brightness Level and click on this icon next to Automatic Brightness. Save your changes by tapping on OK. As you can see, Auto Brightness is now on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on Brightness Level again, selecting the same icon and choosing OK one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!